Today starts our forever, a day we have waited so long for. It feels so surreal that in just a few short hours, we will be making our way to the altar to say I do. When we met at a high school bonfire, who would have thought we would build a love so deep and strong that would last a lifetime? I could not have asked for a better partner to go through life with. I am so blessed and grateful to have found someone as wonderful as you. I'll see you at the altar, handsome.
You have been my best friend for over 9 years now, and it has all led to this magical moment. My love for you grows each and every day. We have had a great journey so far, and I'm looking forward to what this next chapter has in store for us. I wouldn't want to enjoy this life with anyone but you. Today is our day, and the future awaits. I love you, Danielle, now and always.